Good morning to everyone. Myself, Mr. M. Nagarajan. Now I am going to teach about the research design. Okay, in the all the business, the success of the business is depend upon the research work. Without making the proper research, we surely did not know about the customer needs and wants. Then we cannot update our product. So the update only can be done by the doing the suitable research. The success of the research is mainly depend upon the framing the research design. Because of research design is the only tool that reflect the how you have to be analyze the problem, then how you have to be make the objectives, then how you have to be collect the data, then how you have to be infer it, then when you have to be submit the report. Okay, that is the research design. Now we are going to discuss about the definitions. According to Bernard Believes, he defines the research design as a blueprint for the activity of research, which means how you have to be collect the data, how you have to be analyze the data, how you have to be uh, use the statistical tool, then how you have to be take a interpretation, then how you have to be submit the report, everything. Which means data collection means we have two sources like primary data and the secondary data. What type of the sources which will be mainly used, you are going to use it for that, whether the primary or secondary. Then also be the analyzing. There is a lot of tools are available for the analyzing the data, a lot of statistical tools. Then there is by making the research design, we can choose the particular and suitable statistical tool for analyzing the our data. Then how you have to be take a report, how you have to be write a report, then to whom the report is going to be submitted. Then the all the activities are all the activities are told in the advanced manner to the all the people. That is the research design. Okay, according to S.L. Gupta and Hiddes, he defined research design as a flow of activities, which means the activities which one is start from the initial step of the research, that is the problem definition. How you have to be define the problem, then how you have to be making the objectives, then depend upon the objectives, how you have to be collect the data, how do you have to be make the questionnaire, then how you have to be applied the suitable statistical tool, then how you have to be apply the how you have to be taking the variables for the hypothesis, and how you have to be interpret the result, and to whom the result will be submitted, what are the formats you have to be followed. So the all the details are discussed in the research design. Research design is the activities which advancedly tell about the initial step of the problem definition to the till of the at the end of the research report. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the features of the research design. Research design is the orderly arrangement of series of action. Okay, research design is the order arrangement which contain the information from the initial step of problem definition, then objectives, then scope of the study, then limitation of the studies, then the sampling methods, then the data collection tools, statistical tools, then the uh, review of literature, and everything are order in the everything are arranged in the perfect manner. In a particular order, the details will be arranged. That is the research design. Then the research design also helps to what are the problems are faced by the researcher. Each and every activities should have a problem. Like that, research also have a problem. Research activity also have a problem. Like that, in the sense of timing, in the sense of money oriented, in the sense of human oriented, it is also be advancedly dealt in the research design. What are the problems are available, then the research how he has to overcome the problem. Each and every ones are defined in the research design. Then the research design also constitute the outline of data analysis. Okay, outline of data analysis means outline of data analysis means how you have to be analyze the data, how you have to be prepare the table, then what are the statistical tools are available for the data analysis, which one of the statistical tool is the mostly fit to that analysis part, what are the hypotheses, how we can frame the hypothesis, what are the tests is suitable for the hypothesis studies, all the activities are depend upon the objectives of the study. So the research clearly define the data analysis portion and the objective of the study in the clear manner. Then the research design also include cost and time, which means how much money you have to be spent for the research design, how much money we are going to spend for the research design, how long you have to be take a study, it also be how long you completed the study, it all the activities are defined in the research design. Okay, then the research design also communicate all the information to the researcher and also be to the other peoples. Other peoples means our superiors, supervisors, our guides, government, etc. They are all comes under the other people. Okay, it clearly define the data related to how the research has been conducted, how the research has been conducted, how the research uh, can be justified in a correct way. So research design communicate the information to the all the people, including researchers and also be others who are all in the external environment of our business and also be in the internal peoples. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Thank you.